check around that after. These are Westinghouse, but they have been modernized, as you can see. Wow. Can't wait to hop on the scenic elevators after this. Yeah, a lot of well-known elevator enthusiasts have already been here. And despite that it's modernized, I still like it. And also, Westinghouse elevators are very rare here in Canada. I believe this is my first time on a Westinghouse. Look at that, eh? Let's just send it back up. All right, can we get them? Yes, let's go. Woohoo! Hopefully I don't get copyrighted by this music. Let's go. Woo! Here's University Avenue and Richmond Street. I kind of picked a bad day to do this because of the smoke and haze from the the wildfires in northern Ontario. But it's still a hell of a view, though. Let's look into the northwest. Oh, I can see York all the way from here. I can see the tower from this end. You guys obviously can't. Ah, this is amazing. Weird chime. Took it for one more spin. This side. No seeing okay, well, you can kind of see it from there. I'm not sure what difference it makes if you're on the other car. Yeah, you can kind of see it. It's not that good of a view because of the Shangri-La Hotel that's blocking it. Also, guess what? We got a nonstop ride. It's a weekdays. It's not really that busy.